Hi everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can contact PlayStation support, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as without any further delay I'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that you do have two options, which includes a chat with the PlayStation expert itself, or other would be simply directly contacting them, which you can find by going to your browser and going to search bar and typing PlayStation support contact number. If you do that, you can see the telephone number appears over here. You can go ahead, use your mobile phone, enter your code, and you can simply dial it and get in touch with them, and you can solve any problem that you have. Other would be simply going to how to contact PlayStation. Other would be simply going to search bar and typing in PlayStation support chat with expert. Go ahead, search it up. This will show you ask a PlayStation expert. Go ahead, tap on it. Here in this section you can go ahead, you can find this kind of interface, right? You can go ahead, sign in as well for your record. Afterwards simply gonna go ahead, you can find this kind of icon given. This is the message icon. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you're gonna go ahead, tap on this next option, I understand, and you can enter your first name, email, what is your question, type it in, tap on send, and they will let you know how you can fix it or what you have to do further for you to solve your problem. That's how you can contact them. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.